Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use presets in DaVinci Resolve for your Fortnite edits. Presets are fantastic tools that can instantly elevate your video quality, giving them a professional look with minimal effort. They save you a significant amount of time by applying complex effects and color grades in just a few clicks. Imagine transforming your raw gameplay into a polished highlight reel in under 1 minute. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to get started. First, you'll need to get your hands on some awesome presets. Once you've downloaded your chosen preset files, typically in a DRFX or setting format, open DaVinci Resolve. Head over to either the Edit or Fusion page. The simplest way to import is by dragging and dropping the files directly into your media pool or the effects library. You can also use the dedicated import option within the effects panel for a more structured approach. It's a straightforward process. Now that your presets are imported, applying them is incredibly simple. First, select the specific video clip on your timeline that you wish to enhance. Next, navigate to your effects library or the Fusion tab if it's a Fusion-specific preset and find your newly imported preset. Simply drag and drop that preset directly onto your selected clip. You'll instantly see the changes. For further customization, head to the Inspector panel to fine-tune its various parameters. The beauty of presets is their flexibility. After applying one, you're not stuck with the default settings. Dive into the Inspector panel to modify individual elements like color grading, glow effects, or even transition timings. Adjust parameters such as intensity by 10% or duration by 2 seconds to perfectly match your vision. Once you've created a look you love, right-click the modified effect on your timeline and select Save as New Preset. Give it a clear, descriptive name for easy access later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.